All right, here's a quick tour of cabin 3543, which is a standard interior on board Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas. So I can tell you, I already like that there is a couch. A lot of interior cabins do not have a couch, so I'm loving that already. But behind the door, you have your muster information. You do need to put a key card in there to keep the lights on, so I probably need to do that before it shuts off. There we go. Let me get some lights on too. All right, here we go. So information there for your muster drill, life jackets, all of that. You have room service menu here, and you just need to place it outside your door the night before. You have closet space. Then your life jackets are there. Make sure you have enough life jackets when you get into your cabin. There's just that one closet space here in this interior cabin, but there are also some cabinets here, which is pretty nice. Down here, you have a mini fridge. And remember, this is to keep things cool, not to keep it cold. All right, and then mirror, television. Now it does have, which is nice, 2 standard ports there. A European port has the announcement station there if you need to turn that up. There is, I believe, a light here. Yeah, television. There's more drawers here, which is nice. And then let's check out the bathroom. Oh, and there is a full-length mirror there for you. And the restroom. Now, I love Royal Caribbean because they do have the glass shower doors. No one likes the shower curtains anymore, so I do appreciate that. But it's your standard restroom. It actually smells like they cleaned it with bleach, so I'm really, really liking that. But I'm still gonna, Lysol and sanitize, but small restroom, but it works, but it smells like bleach. I like it. All right, and again, you have a sofa in here. I don't know if this one converts into a bed or not. Let's check it out. No, it does not. So just a sofa, which is really nice for an interior cabin because a lot of interior cabins do not have them. Then over here beside the bed, you have a drawer, telephone, lights. Now this bed does convert into 2 twin beds. If you choose, ours should have been 2 twin beds, but we'll make it work. And again, on this side, space there. But that's about it. So standard interior cabin, perfect for a short cruise. So thanks for watching.